SFOORTI application, Smart Freight Operations Optimization and Real-Time Information. The application is available at voice.indianrail.gov.in. There's a tab available, SFOORTI. Just click on this tab and you'll be asked for login credentials. All the voice user login credentials would work here. Access is available to zonal users, to divisional users, as well as railway board users. Once you log in, you'll see two tabs, Map View and Parichalan. In the Map View tab, you'll find performance dashboards, the dashboard which display all the information of freight business KPIs, and the GIS views. GIS views would be plotting, would be displaying all the assets of freight business on GIS, on a map system. So let's go one by one. Performance dashboards. There are four dashboards available. First, KPIs. KPIs are the operating parameters, WTR, wagon turnaround, lead, anti-cam, and speed. This is available for the period of 5th April, that is yesterday. You may always change the period from this drop down: yesterday, last 7 days, month to date, year to date, and for any custom period, you can see the statistics. Zonal filter is available. Territory wise WTR is available. If you click on any of these tab, you will see the breakup for that particular KPI, the lead, territory wise lead, and type wise lead. Similarly, for NTKM, territory wise NTKM, type wise NTKM, as well as commodity wise NTKM. If you click on any of this zonal filter, say for NR, you'll see it filtered for that particular zone. And there's a belt of divisions available here. If you click on any of these division, you'll see the data for that particular division only. You may go back to NR view or IR view through these links available at the top right corner, and may always change the period here. Second, we have loading and unloading dashboard. This dashboard presents the information on number of rakes loaded, wagons loaded, tonnage in million tons, freight in rupees crores, rakes unloaded, and wagons unloaded. Again, period can be changed from this drop down. By default, data is available for yesterday. Territory wise rake holding, if you click on any of this, you will see that particular KPI in detailed form. Territory wise loading tonnage, type wise loading tonnage, and commodity wise, how much tons have been loaded by IR. Now, if I go deep down for a zonal level, say for North Central Railway, these are the performance parameters, and these are divisional performance. The red figure is for yesterday for the same period, and blue figure is for current year for the same period. Period here is yesterday, that is 5th of April. If I change the period, say for month to date, say for year to date, let's go for month to date. So in last five days, entire IR has performed like this. Number of rakes loaded have been 5972 for current year, that is 1st to 5th April 2023, and 5807 for 1st to 5th April 2022. And these are zonal performance, and then divisional performance. Here, the information is available for the wide perspective. Now, if we want to see the performance of a particular commodity or list of selected commodities, we are having this commodity performance dashboard. By default, the information is available for all the commodities, the loading performance of entire IR. Periods defines are yesterday, 7 days, month to date. That means first date of current month till Y day, and yesterday, first date of current financial year, that is 1st of April of this year till Y day. Commodity you may select from this list. You may select multiple commodities also, say cement and clinker, and just refresh this data. So the performance would be available for these two commodities, rakes loaded yesterday, year to date, and last year for the same period. Wagons loaded, NTKM, lead, tonnage, and rakes unloaded. Then zone wise rake loaded, and because we are checking it for a particular period, Currently, we are having the data for yesterday. So we have a comparative figure for year to date also. Then periodic analysis. For last 15 days, how much this commodity has performed for current year vis-a-vis the same period last year. Loaded rakes. How many loaded rakes are available? Rakes which are heading towards a particular destination zone and where they are available. The status as on orders and the live status is also available. Say for Central Railway, there are 13 rakes, which are 13 rakes of cement and clinker, which are available at destination terminal. 28 are there in Central Railway itself, and 10 are there in South Central Railway. There are total 38 rakes, and if you want to see how long they'll take to reach their destination, you may always click here and get the detail. ETA insight. Uh, for 5th of April, that is for yesterday, uh, these many rakes were supposed to be reaching their destination, but they got delayed. These many rakes would be reaching today. These many rakes would be reaching tomorrow, 8th of April and 12th of April. For any of this data, you may always check the detail by clicking on that link. You'll see the rake-wise position, where they are currently available, what is their last status, and ETA destination. Similarly, after the rake position, we have the indents position also, ODA's position of indents, and ODA's position of underloading rakes. You may click on any of these and get the detail. Then loading analysis. Yesterday, which zone has loaded how many rakes and how many units for some other zone? So um, like for eco as a loading zone has loaded one rake for East Central Railway and one rake for South Eastern Railway. Period may be changed here. And the last dashboard, which is available in the performance dashboard category, is the payment statistics dashboard. Here again, period is by default yesterday. You may always change the period here. Go for RR statistics or freight statistics. So these many RRs have been generated through e-payment. Greens are e-payment, blues are online, and red ones are offline. Here the e-payments are those payments which basically have tripartite agreement with railways, and the collection has been done automatically through customer's account to railways account. And online payment is something which is done through freight business development portal online payment system. And offline payment is not the cash payment, but the payment which has been made through digital instruments like demand draft, check, or something. So as on last 5 days, 8087 RRs have been generated in total. Out of these, 1061 have been collected through online mode, 6732 have been collected through e-payment mode, and offline are 294. And the bottom figure is for freight collection. 1972 crores have been received in total. 286 crore have been received through online mode, 1654 through e-payment, and 31 crore through offline mode. These are the last 5 days statistics, and these are zonal statistics. How each zone has performed. Freight statistics. Now the figures have changed to freight first and then RR second. You may always go for a particular zone, Southeast Central, how it has performed, how Eco has performed. You may see the detail. So we are done with the with the performance dashboard part. Now